Oh. Oh. Ah.
To the left.
Ah. Ah. Oh.
Did it go calf the last time then?
Yeah, oh hell yeah, man. Yeah, oh yeah. I mean, say, you know, the same spots. You know what I mean? It's just because we have, I haven't been able to crack the.
It's like between your, like right through here, right?
Yeah.
In the neck.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
not going into your arms or anything, right? Is it anything in your arms?
It's still going to my arms. The arm is like, the arm is still tensed up like a motherfucker. But it's because like right here, like every single time you put it back into, like put it back in place or adjust it, that right there, you know, because like you said, I'm still in the, you know what I mean, the fight or flight. Yeah, you know what I mean. But
yeah, your body's just, that's really tight. All right, let's get you here.
Oh,
So just relax, let it go.
Oh,
that was it there. That was it there.
That was good. That was damn good.
I know it's. I'm just gonna kind of stretch it. That's not gonna work. Let's get your back here.
Sorry about the
I can see it. Your glutes are a lot higher on this side, and this left leg short. Let's lay this side up, facing me.
Like this, bro?
Yeah.
Oh, that felt fucking way too good.
Yeah, that was good. That was right there. I got you. No, you're good. Don't sweat. I would go this other way here. I got you here.
Oh.
Alright, we'll keep that leg straight.
Got you.
Come over here. Is that decompression too or not?
Oh man, that's wonderful. Oh yeah.
You're okay. Let's lay on your back. We'll scoot down to the end. We'll scoot down to the end there.
I got you.
Or a little bit further north so your feet are hanging off the edge there. Alright, just like that. What's your favorite part here? Just stay right there.
Oh, I got you, dog. I ain't moving.
Feel that there? You felt that, right?
Yeah, I felt that shit.
Let me check. I think it was this left side. It was really locked up this last time. It's doing a lot better, but it's still. Got one right here. You feel that?
Yeah.
Okay, look to the left. We needed that there.
Ow. Wow. Holy shit balls.
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You got one more on the other side here. You're not feeling dizzy or anything like that?
No.
Okay. I know that was huge, and that was good. All right, let me check this one over here. Just relax. Okay, look to the right.
Oh.
That's the big one.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Is that feeling all right?
Yeah, you good. I'm still feeling
in the shoulder?
Yeah, the pressure in the...
All right, let's do, we'll come up then. All right, we'll go with that. Let's take it to the other room over here.
God damn, man, that's...
A lot better than last time, though.
Man, that's amazing, bro.
Last time was